Here I have Xiaomi Redmi S2 and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, find and select the settings. Then you need to find and select the portable hotspot. It's located under wireless and network. Let me choose it and let's enable the portable Wi-Fi hotspot by using that switcher. So right now you just create a hotspot. Here you can set up this hotspot. So here you can change the network name, the security type, the password. Right now we are using the following one. And for example, you can change the AP band if you would like to. If you change something, tap OK. If not, choose cancel. Here you can, for example, choose some data limit, use the QR code if you would like to, or see the connected device list. To disable this mode, let's use this switcher, and now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.